Finally, some cool temperatures again. I mean, it was, cooler yesterday, but we really turned it down today with clouds and showers keeping temperatures down. And if you're headed out, there could still be some showers around this evening at times. And then tomorrow, slim chance there might be a shower left over early at sunrise, but most of tomorrow, I think the clouds will start to gradually break apart, and the afternoon looks fairly sunny. And Sunday looks fairly sunny, too. Some of the models you'll see tries to show maybe a few clouds whipping through early in the morning, but doubtful it's going to be enough for any more rain. And then low humidity coming back. It's getting kind of muggy right now, especially along the coast. The humidity's come back in, but I think by tomorrow afternoon it's really low again, and that may continue for the rest of Sunday going into Monday and Tuesday with low humidity. The rain right now over the last 3 hours has kind of been fading, but I think still some scattered showers will be possible at times through the evening hours. So, not raining in every place, but showers popping up here and there through the evening hours. Most of the rain's still kind of lingering offshore, but we zoom in a couple spots. You can see there's one kind of brief heavy shower, we'll call it moderate shower, drifting west-southwest across areas near San Juan and headed toward the city of Hidalgo. But, this is something that might rain on you kind of hard for about 10 minutes. In Brownsville, a couple little showers coming across the border from Mexico, and you see some showers moving west. So, again, maybe a 10 or 15-minute shower in spots. And even in Willacy County, a little bit of heavier rain there in spots. You see rain near Port Mansfield moving in off the Bay waters, and a brief heavy shower just went through Raymondville area, and now ready to cross the border right there of Hidalgo County. So again, brief downpours here and there. Just be ready. If you're headed out to football games, it could be a little wet, especially right around kickoff time. Right now, though, it's kind of cool. 82 in McAllen, 80 in Brownsville, only 78 in Edinburg, Rio Grande City, and in Weslaco. So football games, if you are going to be out there, you might want to take a towel, dry the seat off a bit, maybe be ready to duck inside if it rains for 10 or 15 minutes, but still not going to rain the entire game, but there could be a couple showers here and there throughout the daytime and into the game time in the evening. So temperatures holding mainly in the upper 70s during the game, so you probably won't be sweating too much out there. That's one benefit. You can see the rain and clouds, though, coming in from the Gulf. It's kind of the northern fringe of some moisture that's kind of blown off the top of Hurricane Katia, which is way to the south. It's the eye of it, you see right there, getting close to Mexico this evening, kind of between Tampico and north of Veracruz. And that storm expected to move inland tonight. You can see the latest on Katia. Winds of 105 miles per hour moving west-southwest. And you see by about 1 a.m. tonight, midnight 1 a.m., should be moving inland across Mexico, again, south of Tampico, north of Veracruz, with some very heavy rain in some of those mountains especially. Could be having some totals through the weekend up to about 20 to 25 inches in spots. So heavy rain to the south. None of that heavy rain or wind coming this way. Tomorrow's highs do look a bit warmer. We should be in the upper 80s and might hit the low 90s in spots. I think we'll start off kind of cloudy in the morning but get progressively sunnier in the afternoon, and just a small chance for a shower in the morning hours. Future track does show some rain around this evening, but watch how most of it kind of fades away late tonight. Might be just a couple small showers left over after about 10 p.m. And then notice by morning, 8 a.m., the clouds starting to break up, and as the day goes on, kind of a partly to mostly sunny, less humid day. It may start off kind of sticky in the morning, but I think by afternoon it's feeling kind of like it did yesterday, where the air was drying out and the sun was kind of warming things up a bit. So that's the way it looks for Saturday, and kind of similar conditions for Sunday. Rain chances about 20% early tomorrow morning, but most of you probably won't see anything after tonight. And the first 7-day forecast, we get a break from the humidity tomorrow afternoon through Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday, and then the humidity and the heat come back late in the week. We'll see highs upper 80s to near 90 tomorrow, closer to about the low 90s Sunday, Monday, but the humidity still down, which means some cool mornings. We could dip into the 60s, mid to upper 60s in a lot of areas, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and maybe even Wednesday mornings, and then the kind of hot and sticky weather comes back later in the week. But, it's still summertime for another 2 weeks or so. We'll keep tracking the hot days later, but the cooler weather for the weekend in your first 1-5 forecast on Channel 5 News at 4.